primetime news this evening. He will stay. Joel Williams to remain as chairman of Clarendon Municipal Corporation. No knight in shining armor for Jamaica. Government weighs in on the potential fallout from US aid saga. And we explore the future of AI in the conclusion of our special report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this has been a hot button topic for quite some time, and the Planning Institute of Jamaica is pointing to data which show that despite more women attending university, men are still being paid more. I'll give you the details later in the business day.
That's quite a story. I think I heard a snicker from Jermaine Brown over there. He's here not to talk about that, but to talk about what's coming up in primetime sports.
Specifically in cricket. So, the Reggae Boys were this evening fine-tuning in preparation for their two-match friendly series against Caribbean rivals at Trinidad and Tobago, the first of which takes place tomorrow at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. We'll tell you more about that and others a bit later on.
Thank you so much, Jermaine. And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. No, there is some slight drying that we are expecting over the next couple of days. We still have the morning showers in the northeast, but it's partly cloudy across most places in the afternoon.
Thanks, Romain. He'll have more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we are asking, what do you make of the decision by U.S. President Donald Trump to close U.S. aid?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.